this is one of the elevators here at the medical office building here at St. Elizabeth Hospital here in Youngstown, Ohio. It's a Dover. First floor we go. Elevator number 32. Let's go to 2. Check this out. Got the old bumper. And it's Dover. Do we have a motor? This is not the only elevator here. We found one up in the front. So let's go ahead and record the elevator in the front, because this is kind of similar to the one there. Seen by the sign says elevator. Yep, there's one more in the front. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This one right over here. It's a big one. It's another impulse. Very spacious elevator. Go on the 1. Not a phone. Elevator number 31. Hence by that. Go up to 2. It's a Dover. £4,000, twice as big as this other one. The red 2. That's a pretty quick elevator. No.
Let's go.
Alrighty. And I guess that's gonna be it.